Okay, you are the student. You are the student of Arifat House, and you have to represent which state? Tamil Nadu. Okay, you have to tell something about Tamil Nadu. Okay, what do you know about the Tamil Nadu food? What did you say? Dhokla? Idli and dosa. Okay, sambar also. Okay, good. I like sambar. You know about the any song in Tamil language? Kola berries. You can sing the song? One or two sentence. You can't say. Okay, good. You know about the dancing style of Tamil Nadu? Okay. And what is the culture and tradition that is practiced in Tamil Nadu? Okay, the famous festival is Pongal that is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. After that, you can tell about any monuments that situated in Tamil Nadu state. Okay, you can explain by the chart paper. Hey, not make advice. If you are not interested to listen, then go outside the class. Show me. Okay, first one is Meenakshi temple. Second one? Okay, wait 1 minute. I want to again listen the name of second one. Mahabalipuram temple. Third one? Fourth one? Okay, you said that museum at the Tamil Nadu is the second largest in India. Second oldest in India. Okay, who make this museums? You don't know about that. But in the second part of the page, I can see about the famous personality. Tell me the name one by one of the famous personality of Tamil Nadu. Okay, means first one, you have to be explained about the APJ Abdul Kalam. And after that, okay, Sundar Pichai is the current CEO of Google. But Sona, he lives in America. Then how can you say it is the great personality of Tamil Nadu? He born in Tamil Nadu, that's why they are the member of Tamil Nadu. Okay, it is good that you proud to your citizens of the Tamil Nadu. After that, again. A.R. Rahman.
Music composer, singer, and music director for Tamil Nadu. He has written many songs.
After that,
After that, Viswanathan, the
chess master.
master.
Okay, next.
Who has been lots of championship.
And Raj.
He is the first to get the Rajiv Clever Award, and he is awarded by the Padma Vibhushan, second highest civilian reward.
Padma Bhushan is awarded by Padma Vibhushan, awarded by Vishwanathan Anand. Okay,
Second highest civilian award of Republic of India.
okay, good.
And fifth is the everyone favorite. Fifth is the everyone first.
Fifth.
One of the favorite, Shivaji the Boss, our superstar Rajinikanth.
Means according to the cinema performance, you have seen the famous personality in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, he is a very famous personality of the South Indian actor. He has lots of Filmfare awards.
Really, Rajnikant is very famous, and not only the South Indian actors, they introduced the Tollywood in South India.
He was the most influenced of the year 2010. Most influenced person of the year 2010.
Okay, it is good. And next,
Last one is Sivila Hachandra.